The study of consumer behavior helps marketers in market segmentation, product development, market targeting, product position, and advertising creatively. Without studying consumer behavior, we cannot formulate, develop, and implement marketing mix program. We have to understand that consumers are unique in themselves. They are different and they are dynamic. Their needs and wants are diverse from one another. Their consumption pattern and consumption behavior is different. Now, let us study the different buying motives which affect on consumer behavior and which is the most important part of consumer behavior. Now, let us study the different buying motives which are involved in consumer buying decision making process. A motive is the inner state that moves or prompts a person to action. When the individual seeks satisfaction through the purchase of something, Dr. R.S. Dower has defined a motive. It is an inner urge that moves or prompts a person to actions. There are various kinds of motives. Physical motives are there, psychological motives are there, sociological motives are there, acquired and inherent buying motives are there, primary and selective buying motives are there, and each and every motive plays a different role in consumer buying process. Now, let us study one of the very important part, that is consumer buying decision making process. Consumer decision making process, also called as buying process, explains how consumer takes purchase decisions. It represents a problem solving approach followed by consumer. The consumer buying decision making process consists of 5 important stages. The stage first is recognition of need. Stage second is search of information. Stage third is evaluation of alternatives. Stage fourth is purchase decision, and stage fifth is post purchase evaluation. So let us study in detail all the stages. Stage first is need recognition or recognition of need. A need is a failed deprivation of state of mind. Buying process starts when a need is failed for a product due to internal or external stimulus. Need is recognized when consumer faces some problem or when there is a desire for something which triggers a latent or hidden need, and the consumer buying decision making process triggered and the need recognition starts. The next stage is search of information. After need recognition stage, the consumer begins for searching the information. Searching for the information begins when consumer feels that aroused need should be satisfied by purchase and consumption of a product, but the consumer is not sure about what type of brand or product can provide the best satisfaction, and hence the consumer in this case searches for different information, the information from different sources, friends, relatives, advertisement, and different medias. The step third begin with evaluation of alternatives. In the stage second, searching of information, consumer has collected and searched about the information. Now this is the stage that there is a evaluation of the collected information. The consumer usually considers brand strength, brand image, manufacturer's reputation for quality, middleman's reputation, product attributes, after sales service, availability of spare parts, and most importantly, the total utility value of the product and services is considered by the consumer in evaluating the different brands. The next is purchase decisions. When need recognition is there, searching of information is there. After searching of information, there is a evaluation of alternatives, means finding out the best possible alternatives, finding out the best evaluative alternatives from the available resource. Now the consumer is proceeded towards the purchase decisions. After careful evaluation of various alternatives choices, the purchase decision is taken. Purchase decision is a judgment made by consumers on the basis of the attitude, lifestyle, level of motivation, perception, learning, and all other psychological, personal, social, and cultural factors. Here, the customer is involved in purchasing the product and service. Purchase decisions, the consumer is associated with different risks: financial risk, physical risk, functional risk, social risk, psychological risk, and time risk. And the last stage of consumer buying decision making process is post purchase evaluation. After using the product, the consumer evaluates its actual performance in the light of his own expectations. In post purchase evaluation stage, the consumer usually tries to reassure himself that the choice was right, and the consumer attempts to reduce his post purchase anxiety or doubts. It is called as cognitive dissonance. And again, there is a repeated behavior of the consumer in the process. Now, students, let's study the next important point, that is factors affecting on consumer behavior. There are various factors which basically affect on the consumer behavior. These factors having a strong influence while consuming the buying process. There are various factors. Let us study one by one. First is the cultural factors. Cultural factor includes culture, subculture, and social factor. So let us study first culture. What is culture? Culture is the most important determinant. Culture is the most important factor which affects on consumer behavior. A culture is the deep-seated, deep-rooted ideas. It is a deep-seated philosophy across the life of the human being. A culture is the values, beliefs, ideologies, law, customs, languages, and morals of the particular community or a group of individuals. Culture is the most basic source of consumer wants and behavior. It is mostly a learned behavior which is acquired from society and having a great impact on the consumer behavior. Next is subculture. Subculture is a small identifiable groups within each culture that have characteristics. It includes religions, nationalities, racial groups, and geographic regions. These subcultures provide more specific identification for their members and which is having a great impact while consuming buying process. And the next one is social class. Social class is a hierarchical homogeneous divisions in the society which are representative of a cluster of variables like occupation, income, wealth, education, etc. The members of a particular social class share similar set of values, interests, and pattern of behavior. And all this culture, subculture, and social class is having a considerable influence on the process of consumer behavior. Now, the next factor which affect on consumer buying process is social factors. Social factor involves reference group, role and status, and family. So let us study now one by one. Reference group are the social and professional groups that exert direct or indirect influence on consumers' behavior. The information provided by these groups on quality of a product, its performance, style act as a frame of reference while purchasing the product and services. Students, I would like to tell you, reference group includes friends, local club members, neighbors, college living groups are the primary reference group that have direct influence on individuals' buying decisions. After reference group, the next important factor, the fundamental factors which affect on consumer buying process is family. Family is defined as a group of two or more persons that reside together and are related by birth, marriage, or adoption. Family members have considerable influence on the buying decisions. They play different roles in buying process as an initiator, influencer, decider, or user. Due to different roles of family members, the marketers are interested in knowing that who is influencing the buying process, who takes buying decisions, and who is actually involved and who are going to use the product. Family is one of the very important determinant which affect on the consumer buying process. The roles and status refers to the activities of an individual which is expected to perform as part of a group or which he belongs. The role he plays has an effect on his status on the society. A person's buying decision is influenced by the role and status he has in the society. Apart from the role and status, there are certain personal factors which also influence on the consumer buying process. The consumer personal factors like age, life cycle, occupation, economic circumstances, lifestyle plays a major role in buying behavior of the consumers. Now let us study the psychological factors, the psychological determinants of consumer behavior, the psychological factors which influence the consumer behavior. The first one is perception. Perception is the process by which individuals select, organizes and interprets information input to create a meaningful picture of the world. Perception is the process of receiving, organizing and interpreting the response. Perception is a process whereby stimulus are received by an individual, interpreted by him and translated into a response. In simple words, it is how an individual sees the world around him. The next one is learning. Learning includes the change in an individual's behavior and arises from their past experiences. In other words, a consumer learns from their prior experience and tries to maintain a balance by relating and interpreting new stimulus in terms of his past or learned stimulus. The next is personality. Personality refers to an individual's inner psychological characteristics that determine and reflect how an individual responds to his or her own environment. The study of personality traits helps marketers in knowing consumers' innovativeness, his preferences for uniqueness, response to different promotional messages. Every product has different personality and every consumer has different personality. A personality is the total sum of internal and external characteristics. Now, the next important factor is attitude and beliefs. Attitude is the notion of likings and dislikings. Attitude and beliefs are acquired by an individual through experience and learning. A belief is a descriptive thought that an individual holds about something. If the attitude of the consumers towards the company brand is positive, it is essential for the marketer to take measures that will ensure in keeping the attitude positive. And the last one is motivation. Motivation is a driving force within individual that impels them to action. Motivation in consumer is related with some reasons that impel them to take actions. Motivation is an inner force governing consumer behavior. Motivation is a physical, social and biological process which motivates a person towards the action. An individual is motivated by physiological, social and psychological determinants until the needs are not satisfied. Individuals should be regarded as need-satisfying mechanisms who try to fulfill a set of needs in sequence reflecting their buying motives. Buying motive is an urge prompting a person to purchase decision. So, students, in this module we have studied in detail the introduction of the consumer behavior, definition of consumer behavior, concepts of consumer behavior, the importance and scope of the consumer behavior. As well, we have studied different stages of consumer buying behavior. Also, we have studied the various factors which affect on consumer behavior.